who the third richest man in the world is? It's a man named Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett worked delivering newspapers when he was 14 and 15 years old. He would get up at 5 o'clock in the morning when it was dark and everyone was sleeping. He would deliver newspapers, and he did this for more than 2 years. He delivered 200,000 newspapers over that time, and he saved the money, and he grew $2,000. And that $2,000 was his first investment. And he made that investment after careful study. And the investment grew, so he invested more money, and that investment grew. Last year, his total investments are worth $350 billion. His profits were $25 billion. And Warren Buffett has the same schedule almost every day. He comes to work, and he spends 80% of his time studying and reading in the subjects relative to his business. Only 20% is in meetings or phone calls.